exhausts, and this is how to make your Defender sound better. We're joined here by 3 models which represent almost all of the engines available from Land Rover on these. We're only missing one. Let's see if you can figure out which one that is. So to my left here, we've got the D250. This also fits the D300. This is our Sound Architect exhaust with added speaker system. And next in the middle, we've got the big boy. This is the V8 supercharged 5 litre, and this has our Sound Architect switchable exhaust with mobile app technology. And then finally, on my right, we've got the P400. This is Land Rover's new family of Ingenium engines, also found in the Range Rovers. This is a 3 litre, 6-cylinder hybrid with twin turbos. And this has a really dynamic engine note. Again, as you'll see here, we've mimicked the V8 look, so you get quite a factory looking aesthetic with the sound to match. The diesel has no sound from the factory, and trust me, we've tried to extract the best it's got to give. This gives it some real presence on the road without spoiling any of the emissions. Everything's in there to keep the car happy and warranty friendly. Just got a sound that matches the presence of the vehicle. Let's give it a go. Perhaps you're leaving in the morning and sometimes that burbly tone isn't quite applicable to your journey. For you, this system packs a punch. 2 taps of the OEM stop-start button and it reverts back to its silent diesel noise. Go and have a listen out the back. This is off. This model is the P400, and again we do this for the 90 or the 110, whichever wheelbase you've got, we've got you sorted. V8 aesthetic and with a sound that's much more befitting of the looks. This is our Sound Architect app system. Now the original car has 1 valve on one side, which is mostly there for emissions purposes. This system converts it to a 2 valve setup, which you can switch from your phone even if you're not in the car. Valves shut. Valves open. When I jump in, you can hear it. finally, we've got the big V8. This is also a Sound Architect app system. The V8 does have valve control from OEM, but it's a Tenneco sprung-loaded valve, and it only opens at full throttle in dynamic mode over 30 miles an hour. Got that? Sounds confusing to me too. With this, it's 100% open or shut, and you can control the valve independently of interference from the car. So why don't we have a cold start with the valve open, and we'll see what it sounds like.